Hey, welcome back. Another episode of this not quite as cold house. It's actually this season for it to be hot, but today finished half of our exterior window wall, which is just pretty exciting. So we already had the top plate, and the angled top plate and the bottom plate done before with two of the studs and the angled studs, but I framed out the window today, so that was a lot of fun, and then put in the last few studs here before this brick bulkhead we think was here for maybe this was for a chimney, or this might just be to support the ridge at the top of the peak of the roof. I'm not totally sure. But it's solid brick. We're not getting rid of it. So that's just going to be embedded in the wall. And we set up the line of our wall so that you can see the wall just disappears in line with that bulkhead. So there'll be a good almost 2 feet here where the drywall isn't nailed into anything, but it will be supported. We'll right at the top there. They'll be just resting against the brick, and then down here might just glue on some shims so that the drywall doesn't get pushed in at any point. But yeah, so super exciting. There's some weirdness going on right here because of this top plate that's kind of embedded in the ceiling. We're just going to leave that where it is, and a wall is going to go back where that is now. So put in this stud just so we were as close as possible to the brick, so that the drywall had to span as small a distance as possible. And I'll put another stud right up against the other side, and then this other stud is doubled up because this edge of this stud lines up exactly. Let me just sweep this out. Lines up exactly with this line here. This is closet. So that's the closet wall. So there's going to be 2x4 right here, and we're going to need some drywall backing for the guest side of the wall. Anyway, yeah, it's very exciting. Our thermal barrier is half complete, and it's coming along. Very exciting.